Hello everyone, I want to today tell you a hint that I forgotten about the transition and I saw something some mistake I made. I want to tell you that you don't do that mistake. Okay, what happened? Let's see, we have this slide, for example, something like this. This presentation is using morph, you see. It's look great and everything is working great, but let's say, for example, we have a new blank space. Let me just copy it. Okay. We have two shapes, for example, one here and one another blue here. And we want, for example, something like this blue come here and this blue come here. Okay. Now let's set the transition to morph. You see what is happening? Why is it happening? Why the transition is not happening? I want to tell you, for the PowerPoint, these two shapes are one thing and has no differences. If you want to create another transition, you must at least give them a little difference. For example, go to home and shape format and then give it black shape outline. Then give this, for example, black shape outline. Then when you run the transition, you see the thing you want has been created. It's really important in morph transition usage that you understand when you are going to use it in the way you have two similar shapes. It's not going to do the transition as you like. It's going just to set the shapes to the nearest place in the next slide. I tell you how. For example, if you don't understand, let me create another slide. For example, let's say we have four circles. Okay. When we copy them, we want these two to move here and these two to move here. And send the transition to morph. You see, everything is going great. But let's say, for example, from here to here, from this slide, we want these two to come here and these two to come here. What is going to happening? Let's run it. You see, nothing going happening because for the PowerPoint they are similar, but there's sometimes we have some explanation too. For example, let's guess if we put these two down here and these two here, what is going to happen? Let's see it. You see, it's calculate the distance and then go in the distance you've been created and use them. For example, in this great morph transition I created, you see, we have a little problem from the thing we have in the first slide. Let's see here. Can you guess what is the problem? The problem is that in this transition, we don't have these two shapes exactly like in the path shape. And it's not important, but it's good for you to understand what is happening and sometimes do the right thing. Okay, this is just it. I want to tell you a little hint about the problem in using morph. Maybe when you are first time using morph, you have these problems and I want you to don't have them. Okay, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until the next time, have a good night. Bye.